what's up guys, Pratham here, and today we're going to be talking about my EDC of 2020, which is kind of useless since I'm not going anywhere, but I made one anyways, so let's get started. Alright, starting off with what I actually have in my pockets. In my front right pocket, we have the iPhone SE first generation with an A9 processor, 2 gigs of RAM, and 32 gigs of storage. This has been my daily driver, but pretty soon I'm going to upgrade to the iPhone 10 and have this as my backup. And in my front left pocket, we have my earbuds of choice, the Tautronic Sound Liberty 79 True Wireless Earbuds. These are great to fidget with, great sound quality. I've already reviewed them, so if you want to check out that review, the link will be in the description. So, yeah, these are my daily driver earbuds. Okay, so my daily driver watch of choice is the Apple Watch Series 3 Space Gray Aluminum with a chainmail metal strap. It actually doesn't fit, so I'm going to be replacing it with a black leather one that's built for my watch. But, yeah, that's the strap that I have on now. If you want to see a review, then just leave me a comment, and I will do a review or a day in a life, something like that. But, yeah, this is my watch that I use for workouts, responding to messages. It's been really efficient. You don't know how useful an Apple Watch is until you have it, and then it's taken away from you. It's awesome, really. Alright, so now in the bag itself, let's start off with the very front compartment. I keep in here pencil case with, just some pencils, regular stuff, pens, pencils, 6-inch ruler, just basic stuff. And I keep my charging cables. I keep them inside this earbuds case. This was actually an earbuds case, but I repurposed it as for charging and for my backup wired earpods, just in case both of my earbuds die. Yes, 2 earbuds for my phone and my iPad. It's sad that I have to do this. Alright, going to the next one, we have this Clear Lock 360 mount. This is what I use to mount my phone. You can mount it at pretty much any angle. I'll probably put some B-roll here to show you how it's done. But yeah, that's my Clear Look stand. You can get something like this on Amazon for about $10. They make ones that mount onto tripods as well. So those are really nice. And we have my notebook. If I ever want to sketch anything down, then I'll just sketch it down in this with the pencils I showed you earlier. Next, we have the main zipper, which is where I keep my iPad Air with 64 gigs of storage, an A12 processor, and 4 gigs of RAM. It's pretty powerful. And we also have my Sanwa BT1300 mouse and my new earbuds, which are over here. These are the Aki EP61 Bluetooth. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes I'll carry a water bottle, sometimes I'll carry a Rubik's Cube or something, but for the most part, that is my EDC. Now, if you would like me to go more into depth with any of these, just let me know in the comment section, and I will show them to you. So that's my setup. As always, like the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I mean, think of the benefits. You'd be subscribed to us, soon to be the #1 tech channel on YouTube. Yeah, so just subscribe. You already know the benefits. Leave comments, like the video. We're trying to grow on YouTube, trying to become relevant. We're having competition with some of our friends to see whose channel can get more subs. So, join us. Join the nerds. Until then, see you later. Peace.